And we're back with another video. We're doing Queen and Clarence. He asked to stay. Turks and Caicos room. Petty fam. Let's get into it.
Seriously, hold on.
Excuse me?
How you doing?
How you doing? Why you got a camera in my face?
Little role play. I see y'all.
I was wondering, you know what I'm saying, if I could just stay with you for a little while.
You want to stay with me?
Yeah, you're fine ass. Well, let's give them a little tour though. And you got some white stuff on your chest.
I was leaning up against the wall. I'm sorry. Okay, I don't know if you can stay here, but I'll show you around a little bit.
I'm staying here.
Huh?
I'll stay here.
Who said you could stay here?
So, show us around. Show me around.
Okay, well, we could start with living room. As you can see, a nice little pull-out couch. This is probably where you could sleep.
This is a pull-out couch?
Probably. You can sleep here on this couch.
I'd probably sleep in here.
No, I think you should sleep in here.
I want to sleep with your fine ass.
You want to sleep with me?
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. As you can see, you know, this is the living room area. This is a really nice, like, it's not really a hotel. It's more so like a private owned, very small villa, like 1-bedroom villa. We got a full fridge. I don't have much food in there. I got some snacks. I don't really eat much food. We eat snacks and sometimes... Wait, hold on. Who told you could have that? Why you told me that's mine? Who said you could have that? Got a stove, an electric stove. This is like a microwave.
A microwave oven. To Miguel, without the G.
What?
To Miguel.
Oh, I know this looks like a regular drawer, but look, it's a dishwasher. So if we ever had dishes, you know, we got that as well. We
did a little bit of shopping. Oatmeal cream pies.
Nutty Buddies.
Chex Mix that you didn't open, and I told you wasn't gonna open. Okay.
We got some pots and pans here. They made it nice and homey for us. We got a nice kitchen. They got all the things we need under here. We really could have cooked here.
It's like a home.
Yeah, we got glasses and
plates, cups,
things of that sort. So that's what I really like about this. Oh, and we don't like dirty clothes, dirty underwear. So we got a washer and dryer here. This is very different from any other. Oop, who's at the door?
So you showed them the stackable washer dryer,
and then
which we did use. Here, let me give them a tour now.
But you didn't say it. Wait,
I'm staying here.
No, you're not staying here.
Let me show them where I'm sleeping at.
You're not sleeping in here. You sleep on the couch.
Oh yeah, this is where the magic happens.
What magic?
You know, a lot of magic happens. So this is the bedroom. You know what I'm saying? This is where, again, the magic happens. I really like this mirror. You probably seen Queen or me take a couple pictures here.
I took pictures here by myself at first, and y'all thought that he wasn't here with me, but we was here.
But I was.
Don't do that. Don't do that. This is. Hey. This is a mirror.
Claire is mad silly today.
Shut up. Why you slapping your knee?
So there's 2 windows, brings in a lot of light here. You know what I'm saying?
I really like that. But look, we had to really be careful, y'all, because right here is someone else's door.
Multiple times.
They seen Clarence naked. They seen me
multiple
naked.
Times. I done got caught naked. But if you know me, you know I don't really mind.
I love the greenery.
You know, I really don't mind being naked. Like, I'm kind of a free spirit when it comes to that.
So you would get naked right now?
If we wouldn't get yellowed.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the bathroom, little see-through shower. You know what I'm saying?
Nice little shower.
Little double sink. They're kind of waiting on us. We gotta go catch this flight, but double sink, big mirror. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I like this mirror in a second. Just stay tuned. Tub.
We use those towels, so don't mind.
Yeah, there's a lot of used towels in there right now. That's my little soap right there. I got drunk and I stepped on my soap.
He got drunk, he dropped the soap, stepped on it, couldn't use it no more.
It's a little toilet room.
It's a little powder room, I guess?
Powder room, water room, whatever. I don't know what you.
Yo, I gotta take this gum off. I know they don't like me chewing it. Go ahead.
Take it off, put it in
the trash. That's the trash we put our feet on to use the bathroom.
This the toilet right here. Little window.
Window heat. Did you ever air it out in here when you was using it?
No. So remember what I told you about the mirror, right? Hold on, let me close this shit. Remember what I told you about the mirror. So not only is it an inside shower in here, but there's also an outside shower. Pull up.
From the inside.
So this is the outside
to
shower.
This area.
Right here. And this is why I like the mirror right here. Look at this.
Because we literally could see ourselves shower.
This is fire. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's dope with the rock in the background and the wood.
This is fire. This is what they tried to get us to switch rooms because they said it was a beachfront, but I didn't want it. It didn't have this shower out here.
We got here and they were kind of they said they wasn't sure if it was really us. They seen our name. They seen my name, and they wasn't sure if it was really us. But then when we got here, they kind of realized it was us. So they wanted to upgrade us, but the upgrade. It would be on the beach. This whole house thing would be on the beach.
But we was cool with
Queen
this
didn't want.
And I needed this shower.
Wanted this shower
for certain
and
reasons.
The other one, the upgrade doesn't have this shower, so we just kept this room.
Yeah, this shower is so nice.
I'm not gonna lie, Turks. Thank you, Turks. You guys showed a lot of love. I'm not gonna lie.
Turks was front bed. We gotta get to the airport. We can talk to them the rest of the way.
Yes, we
just wanted to show you guys the room that we was staying in. Dang it! Wait, I forgot. You didn't stay here. So this is just like a overview. Oh wait a minute. We didn't even show them.
What?
Wait, this is the room.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, you gotta show them.
We didn't even show them where it really went down. Yeah, let's show them real quick. I have an infinity pool. Look at this. Look at this mother freaking view. It's so.
I'm glad Queen didn't forget that part. I like that.
Nice.
The view is right of the ocean. Ocean view.
We
Got
enjoyed
a
ourselves.
infinity pool. As you can see, there's
As you
a
can
couple.
We had a couple of drinks. We had some Bel Air, some Prosecco.
Again, shout out to Turks. They've been looking out for us all weekend. You know what I'm saying? Cookies, drinks, everything. This is where we spent a lot of time.
A lot of butterflies around here, but look, let me just show y'all.
This is a vibe. You're surrounded by trees, grass, plants, butterflies.
And this is how it look when you go in.
The ocean.
Very nice, like very nice room. So once again, we just really want to show y'all.
Y'all know we always do it. We got to do a room tour.
Yeah, this is called the Rock House, y'all.
Yeah, we stayed at the Rock House. Shout out to the Rock House.
Yeah, it was a great stay. They had a nice restaurant. We were actually able to leave the resort. Usually we don't leave the resort. We are definitely coming back to Turks. Turks is gonna be like another home to us. The people were very friendly.
We're gonna get a crib out here.
Yeah, it was very beautiful. But y'all, we have to head to the airport. We gotta go right now.
Queen is packing all the snacks like we don't have snacks at the crib.
No, babe, we cannot leave behind these oatmeal cream pies. I won't bring the Chex Mix.
Babe, do you know how greedy you sound?
We're not leaving this behind, babe. We bought it. Why should we waste our money? We got all of the stuff.
All I need is, can I get my Hershey's? That's all.
Yeah,
all right, we out. We gotta go. We're gonna miss our flight, and you're worried about oatmeal cream pies.
We're not gonna miss our flight. Come on, let's go. How is he gonna talk about me and he's sitting here before we leave? We just said we had to leave, and he trying to. Wait, let me get some. Wait, let me just taste it before. That was good. That was real good. All right, well. Bye, Minute Maid. Alright, so as we're heading out, I'm gonna just show you a little bit how it looks as we are walking. So those are the stairs that we walked up to get to our room. We're going through all these trees and whatnot.
That is beautiful. On the to-do list, y'all.
I'm glad I don't tennis shoes. This is how we make our way to the front for the taxi. We're about to check out, but down here is the public pool area. I'm not gonna go all the way over there because you gotta check out, but it's really nice. Last day. Tell the vlog hi. You guys come over here.
It's just a fully way. We just need a signature and then you're all set to go.
You
have a luggage tag and a charging pad with the Rock House logo on it.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
How you guys feel?
Good.
Good, recharged. You want to say bye to our vlog? Bye, guys.
Oh my God, we're gonna miss you so much.
We're gonna be back. All right, y'all.
Right?
For sure.
For sure.
You'll see us again.
You're all set.
Alright, y'all, she gonna be on our vlog.
Hey guys, I'm Sophia, and I just want to let y'all know that one time I got cheated on once upon a time. That song, Medicine, don't play with me. I will listen to that.
What's your name?
I'm Sophia.
Thank you. Nice. You wanna take a picture? Let's do it. We distracting. We just holding up everybody. No problem.
And I love y'all story together too.
Did you get the picture? Okay.
So sweet. They in the middle of the airport and they getting all kind of love. Hey Sophia, what's up, sis?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. We didn't record it, but it's been so many people coming up to us, like, but we didn't record it. It is.
Show them.
Oh, come on. Let me show y'all this airport how it looks. So like we about to get some pizza right now from Gigi's Deli, but
Gigi, like,
I don't know, but I'm gonna ask if it's Gigi's. It's probably not. But this is the airport, y'all. Literally, these are all the different, like, they're going to New York right here. They're going to Miami. They're going to Charlotte. Then we're going to Atlanta in the middle. So, like, it's literally so small. This is all it is. Yeah, y'all. I mean, this is not a bad airport, though.
nah, this is cool.
It's a cool airport. They got
Really show up here like just in time when your flight is like,
Yeah.
'cause you're gonna make it.
yeah. We made
You
it
don't
for
gotta
sure.
walk that much. We ordered some fresh pizza. We want some fresh pizza here.
The whole trip. Oh, here it comes.
Yeah, so we just finally got the pizza, and Gigi said the pizza was really, really, really good.
But then we open it. I don't know.
It's one pepperoni per,
Pizza.
and it's like 2 different cheeses.
It looks like it's like they put some Kraft cheese on there.
You think that
That's
was
what.
frozen?
It's disgusting.
No, it doesn't.
Oh. It don't look like good pizza, but we're gonna try it.
You think it was frozen?
I don't know. She said 8 minutes. What did I say wrong?
What did you say?
I said what's hublet? What's it, hublet?
She's trying to say that right there. It's a Hublot.
Stop lying.
I swear to God.
Hublot?
Yeah.
I would have never imagined. I said hublet. Wow. Okay. I don't know. I asked him, did he know what that
Hublot
was?
is OD. We done made it back. We're going to international. We gotta go back to customs. This be the worst part because it takes mad long. Ever since we got off the plane, Queen's been acting like a little kid. Baby, you're showing your ass off to everybody behind you. I don't know what's wrong with you. Queen's literally, all you're doing is shaking ass.
Sloppy Joe?
Sloppy Joe.
It look like Sloppy Joe. I'm trying to. You said we got her ridiculous.
Yeah, we're not going any faster than we were. I don't want to race.
Please. Come on.
I don't want to race.
Let's race.
I don't want to race.
Let's race.
I'm good.
I promise you I'll beat you.
You probably would.
No, man, I know you're looking at the camera.
You probably would.
I would beat you.
Sometimes you just gotta let them think. Sometimes you just gotta let them think things. Just cause make them feel better. Yeah, you would win.
You know it.
Yeah.
Thank you, because I know.
See this line? See, I'm not gonna lie. Last time we was like right here though. Don't remember?
It's going to be way better. Come on.
Nah, this is still beast though.
No, it's not.
This is 30 minutes.
No, it's not.
45 minutes for sure.
Alright, y'all, so we are about to go to dinner. To Din Din. And it's so nice right now.
Put my hater blockers on.
Hater blockers. Oh my god, y'all. For the longest, I couldn't find my diamond bracelet that Clarence bought me for my birthday. Wait, babe.
Found it on this trip.
I found it on this trip. That must mean something. I found it. I couldn't find it for the longest.
We can take you guys to the.
Okay.
Right this way for me, please.
All right. Y'all, the music is playing and we ate our food before we could show it, so.
We already done. And she just bought dessert. We about to go to the room. Away from this music and stuff, the music is blowing up. But
I mean, it's not really blowing, it's just blowing the vlog.
That's a nice vibe though.
We enjoying the music, but on the vlog it's tough.
I don't like this song. You like this song?
No. What kind of song is this, bro? It's not like, huddy ho, huddy ho, huddy
You
ho.
gotta see that dude. Can you show them dancing?
Hold on, wait. That beautiful.
It's not even this small to be doing that.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Y'all, so we was walking and we thought we seen a piece of doo-doo, but it's not. Wait, just put the light on it. There's snails. This is the first time I've ever seen a snail up close.
Bro, I thought this was a long piece of shit.
Snail with titties.
It's too.
All right, like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell.
Spit or swallow?